How to install Python MySQL module using pip. How can I install the mysql module for Python using pip?
It's easy to do, but hard to remember the correct spelling. If you need 1.2.x versions, legacy Python only, use pip install MySQL Python. Note: some dependencies might have to be in place when running the above command. Some hints on how to install these on various platforms: Ubuntu 14, Ubuntu 16, Debian 8.6, Jessie, Fedora 24. Mac OS. If that fails, try
starting from a fresh Ubuntu 14.04.2 system. These two commands were needed. Just doing the pip install by itself did not work. From this URL,
first. Then put the code below into _init_.py, project name /_init_.py. My environment is Python 3.5, Django 1.10, and the solution works for me. Hope this helps.
I had problems installing the 64-bit version of mysql on Windows via pip, problem compiling sources, 32-bit version installed OK. Managed to install the compiled mysql from the WHL file available from this URL. The WHL file can then be installed via pip as document in this URL. For example, if you save in C column, you can install via pip install C column /mysql_python 1.2.5 cp27 nunwin am64.whl. Follow up: if you have a 64-bit version of Python installed, then you want to install the 64-bit AMD version of mysql from the link above, i.e. even if you have an Intel processor. If you instead try and install the 32-bit version, I think you get the unsupported will error in comments below.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.